Human beings are not only physical beings, they are emotional beings. They are spiritual beings. The more they unfold their inner potential, the more they become capable to add value to life. Are you a trainer or coach who can help humans unlock their inner potential, helping them improve their thinking patterns, leadership style, emotional intelligence, decision-making, team building, or any behavioral pattern that can help humans cope with the challenges in life and make their life more beautiful? Join the tribe of trainers and coaches at Manufacturing.pk and help your clients with 3 powerful tools. Firstly, make your listing with customized filters showing your area of expertise. Secondly, share your story through your personal website. And finally, control all your marketing needs. Publish your events and track your visibility, leads, and reviews through your dashboard easily. Alev has created humans in the best composition. Let's help them remain the best by registering today at Manufacturing.pk.